evaluation ends. That would suck. Okay, now let's do this.
Alright.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. Oh!
Oh! Elfen Lied. Elfen Lied is literally just fan service and gore.
I haven't seen it. Oh, she's crying blood.
I like the lyrics. She's on her period.
Oh! Demon kitty mode.
Oh my god.
Is she supposed to be singing this?
I think.
I like the lyrics they put because they're not in English and you can't see what they're
This song
saying.
is actually in Latin, but she just did that one coom coom.
Cool, cool.
Oh. This song is actually in Latin. But this person was too lazy to look up the freaking lyrics.
She's just sounding it out.
Yeah. Sweet bro and hella Jack.
Sweet bro and hella Jack.
Dun dun. Directed by the person who made this.
Taminga.
I'm naming my person. I'm naming my firstborn child, whatever this chick's name is.
Oh!
This is supposed to be like with Italia and Inuyasha.
Hey,
And...
good morning, Raichu.
Good morning, Daddy-kun.
Did we?
I have to go to work today.
Yeah.
Is that
Got
a tramp stamp?
I worry about you.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
God.
You work for the Yakuza.
Oh,
That's dangerous.
God.
Yeah.
Well, I
Nice walking animation.
She doesn't know whether to go forward or back.
On my toes.
Oh my god.
I like her boobs.
Huh?
I like her eyes.
Who's there?
Who's there?
Oh my god!
Hello. You think you're so pretty and so awesome, like you're gonna kill me. But I know
Can
better.
this shot just go away?
I'm gonna.
She wet them, apparently.
It is part of my job.
Oh.
Neon.
Yeah. Oh, is that the membrane?
Pathetic bitch.
Oh my god. But that's Gaz when she's older.
That's dead though. He has a hair scythe and everything.
No, I mean the chick.
Oh.
Why, hello there. It is me, your
Oh my god.
father.
My father's dead.
I've come back to finish what I've started.
What?
I've
I
come
bet
back
they
to
used
destroy
Audacity. Did it the
Hate
voices.
you.
Her mouth inside has no texture. It's the same as everything in her
My dad.
face.
He's back.
Your dad is not back. Your dad's done.
Oh.
Thank you for
I
watching.
can't. Her dad is dead. So?
Rachel. I'm naming my firstborn child Rachel.
Hey, that's almost my name.
Rachel.
Rachel. Animation, mostly me. Okay, then who else? Okay, animes, Inuyasha, Hitalia.
Legend of Korra. Legend of Korra isn't an anime. I don't even like Legend of Korra anymore. Aqua's P.
I don't like Legend of Korra or Avatar. I haven't watched any of them.
I
I don't
used
know
to
why.
love Avatar and Korra.
I know, they were big fan of them on Tumblr, but I just kind of didn't get interested in it, I guess. Are we
What
gonna
is
watch
this?
Are we gonna watch
Episode 6? I can't wait till episode 6. That looks promising.
episode 2, 31 dislikes.
I'm gonna like this. Just for irony. Then I'm going to delete this from my life. Okay, let's go to episode 2.
Alright.
I might as well keep recording since this series is so short.
Alright, tell me when.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
The opening again.
Again. Sad stuck. Can we just skip through the opening?
When does the opening end? Oh no, we'll get off time.
40, no.
Let's just wait, because then we'll get off our same,
Oh yeah.
yeah, you know.
I'm muting this until... Wait, what time are you at? Because I paused my video.
47, now
Hey,
40,
pause your video.
50, 51, 52. Okay, pause at 52.
Okay, I'm there. We are the worst commentators in the world. We're like
wow.
the best.
I'm on
Orange
it.
trousers ain't got nothing.
There's a step remix of this song. There
Oh my
should be.
God. I like Boring Trousers a lot.
But-
And those people who did the Now Neko Sugar Girls Let's Watch. Not
Yeah.
our Let's Watch, but the other one.
Uh-huh.
LOL Metroid or whatever.
Why?
Whee!
What is this song? It sounds familiar.
Ow!
Oh, is she seen?
Yes.
Kawaii DC.
Who? Who?
Ho.
Who? Is she part owl?
Inuyasha?
It's nice to see you again, Richiru.
Do they get the real voice actor for this?
No.
Oh my god.
Oh, Inuyasha-sama.
How did the battle go?
Yes,
Boy, her boobs keep growing and
Wait.
shrinking.
But
look at that walk cycle.
my father, he is alive.
No! How can he be alive? Your father is dead.
Oh my
I
god.
don't know how it happened, but I have to destroy him again.
This is horrible.
She cries.
Maybe we can get the
She
Yakuza
breaks
to
her neck, bending over her shoulder to cry.
This
No,
is
I shall do
this
it
is
myself.
worse than Yanako Sugar Girls.
No! It's too dangerous!
Yanako Sugar Girls is the best thing that we've ever watched. I've got to
I
say.
have to.
Yeah, Nico Sugar Girls is supposed to be bad on purpose, though.
I don't care. I love it.
Denmark, I'm home.
Denmark? Yeah, this is Italia.
Oh, baby,
At the
I'm
Blue's
glad to
Clues
see
chair.
you.
Denmark!
Oh, yeah.
Denmark, Jesus Christ.
I can tell you're sad, Richiru.
Is
Don't
that
hide
Ariel?
behind that beautiful smile.
Oh my god.
I'll tell you then.
You might not want to say that, she might find this.
Come on, I
I'm
want
going
you
to link her
close
to this anyways.
Yeah.
Hey Ariel, I'm sorry. She has brownish, blackish hair, so it kind of works. I'm not reading this. I'm not watching this anymore.
It's boring.
Weird.